Welcome to Egg Drop Challenge
Rebuttal!
We did so bad last time that we decided to do even... Do I say worse or better? Even better this time! Let's go to the store and pick out our supplies. We're switching the stores up.
What?
Well...
Oh my god.
Remember your food tier list when you were smack talking Arby's?
Yeah, I do remember that.
Well, I took a little bit of offense to that.
Oh god.
Alright, let's head to the store and buy our egg drop supply materials. Gotta wash the car, John. Get in the car, John. Gets really dirty here. Oh, my car looked gross going on a date to Arby's. The rules are simple. You get $10 from Arby's. You can buy whatever you want. You have 10 minutes to build something once we get back to the house, and you have to throw it off the top of a 3-story building, or the top of a 2-story building, which is like 3 stories. Are there any other rules?
Have fun. That's the only rule. Just have freaking fun.
Have fun and don't do drugs.
Dumbass. Oh. It's really bad.
What score did you give Arby's again?
I think it was E.
E?
Yeah, E.
No, S?
No, I think it was F, actually. Bottom. It's the bottom.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
You actually put it on the bottom?
Yeah, I think near Subway.
It's not that bad.
Where does Arby's belong? If you're disgusting, it's up here in the S tier. If you're a foul human being, if you're sort of an alien type creature. But if you're a normal human being, it's an F tier because Arby's is trash.
There's so many options. I've never been to a fast food place with the intention, like browsing through the menu to see what's the most protective.
I'm very interested, more interested in the physical properties rather than the flavor.
Right. What do you think the best sandwich or Arby's item is to protect an egg from a 3-story fall? Like, what's the squishiest sandwich you have?
Squishiest.
Yeah.
A double beef and cheddar.
Double beef and cheddar?
Can you make your shakes like a little bit on the thicker end of things? Like,
No, because they're already made. They're already in the store.
really?
Yeah.
How much is a small shake?
I can see the cogs turning.
$2.99.
Do you want like a spreadsheet? I can bring the laptop.
2 large fries and a small shake, that comes out just under 10, right?
Chocolate, vanilla, jamocha.
Jamocha.
Enjoy.
All right, thanks
Thank
so
you.
much. Dude, I'm gonna whoop you.
Yeah.
Do I get a drink? Thank you.
Thank you.
And sorry.
Bruh.
To prove to you that this video is not sponsored by Arby's, Michael, can you come up? All right, Michael, we have a very important question. Do you like Arby's?
No, Arby's is Arby's is garbage restaurant. You should never go to Arby's. It's disgusting.
E
You
tier,
should
in
never-
fact.
That is Michael's opinion, and we're including it to show that we were not paid to endorse Arby's. We're willing to change our mind, Arby's.
I'm not.
Bruh.
All right, we get 1 stick of hot glue to share, and a little bit of the worst tape we could find.
That was stupid.
I sort of knew mine was together. I didn't know yours was gonna explode.
Also, kids, forget Minecraft. There's Meatcraft.
What does that even mean? Tell me what you bought, how much you spent, and what your plan is.
I bought 2 large curly fry and 1 small Jamocha shake. I spent $9.67. My plan is to kind of do what I did the first time. Just smash a bunch of in a cup and drop it.
I got the Bink double meal, which included the Bink sandwich, a large drink, and a large curly fly. $9.90.
Also, pretty epic. They spelt my name Ian.
Did they really?
Yeah, just kind of cool.
Oh, God. Cameraman John, can you put 10 minutes on the clock? Oh, that is... Don't look at the inside of your...
Bruh.
No, I said don't look at the inside of the Arby's. Put that back.
I'm just like, I really don't know where to begin. My problem with the first one that I did, the side wasn't taken care of. Maybe if I do one of these things, that might be the plan. So if I attach them in different orientations somehow, it can't land flat anywhere, really. Breaking it open.
You're gonna leave the milkshake,
In
half
there?
of the milkshake in there?
Yeah, I think I'll just put the egg in there right now. Alright, we don't have much time.
Okay. This feels like too low of effort. Just... Hey, I made you a sandwich.
There's something off about my burger, waiter. It tastes like ag. This burger tastes like ag. I know like.
No, it's my problem. I have to clean it up.
It's all contained right there.
My workspace has been sullied.
I need those.
I've been eating them too.
I actually need all of those.
I'm
I'm feeling confident right now.
Oh gosh, I've made a mistake. Oh, now it's in the egg, so now I definitely shouldn't be eating it. I have 1 minute left. All right, I'm gonna take the cup full of mayonnaise and fill it with some of my French fries. The bun, I think, is gonna protect the top and bottom. The meat is going to protect the sides, and then I'm going to shove this into the cup. Oh, that is an airtight seal.
No, I'm kind of jealous.
And then cushioning the top with more curly fries. I think $10 might have been too much. Because
Yeah. You're pretty happy about that?
I'm fairly confident my egg is going to survive. So you don't want to put too much in there. A little bit of mayo on the top.
Oh, bruh, the more springy these fries are, the better.
Yeah.
Look at these, like, nice little, it's a nice little cushioned layer right there.
We kind of have like an almost identical strategy. Mine just involves a hamburger.
Oh no, I'm doing something a little bit different this time. Bruh, turn that on.
Did we just nail? Oh, what are you doing now? What do you need more time for?
I need to attach my tubes.
I got padding on the top, padding on the sides, padding in the middle. What do you got?
Yeah.
Should we go outside?
Yep. Let's do it. Let's go outside.
Is it drying?
No. It's ready. It's been ready.
How long have you been working on this?
5 minutes.
You went 5 minutes beyond the timer?
Yes.
Wait, did we decide socks was safer or no socks was safer?
Socks is safer.
Why?
To
You're just making things up now.
to pad your feet
When you fall?
when you fall. Assuming you land on your feet.
We are trained professionals. No, I can't say it. We're not even going to joke with
Yeah,
that. We are trained professionals. Don't do anything that we do. Except drink water and eat vegetables.
We're trained professionals, but not at this.
But then it makes it seem like they can do it too because we're... just eat vegetables and drink water and like stay inside all day and you'll be safe.
Drink water in excessive amounts to the point where your stomach feels like it's about to pop.
We are trained professionals. All right, let's do this. Cheers.
Oh, no.
Okay. Socks is way worse. What are you talking about? Ian, tell me what you're cooking up.
I'm cooking up an Arby's deep fried shake, porcupine style.
Mine is, just looks like a cup.
Yeah.
I call this a large soda from Arby's. What is your goal for this competition?
My goal for this competition is to win.
That's cool. I have the same goal. Mine is for when I throw this off the building, the egg survives, and when he throws his off the building, his egg does not survive.
Yes, I am also for that, but in reverse.
Well, good luck. Cameraman John, if you want to go down.
We'll stay up here.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, drop!
I think that's good. I think that's good.
Oh! Wait, where did you? Was that yours?
What?
How are you? Did you just grab one?
I didn't drop anything.
You didn't? Is that mine?
What, that
The egg, yeah.
Oh, that is yours.
Wait, where did the egg come from?
What? I actually have no idea.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm just as confused.
You didn't
as
have it in your pocket or something?
No,
and it rolled out?
Like, what?
Where did that? Oh, did Michael? Was it? It was Michael. It was Michael. Look at his windows open.
little-
Wait, did we already name yours?
No, we didn't.
Okay, all right. Give it a name and then throw it off the roof.
This is Little Bagel Boy,
Inspired by.
the previous one.
Okay.
Here we go.
If you hit mine, it's more cushion.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh! Hey! That looks
No
pretty good.
way.
Look at it. You can. It's like kind of in one piece, unless the bottom's cracked.
Mine looked the best exploding.
Yeah. Look at him. We made
All
a
right.
huge mess. That's awesome. All right, let's go see what happened. Oh! No way!
Yeah.
It's totally fine? Is it actually totally fine?
I am the greatest of all time.
Well, no, 'cause
I am the best.
we haven't seen mine
I am
yet.
the best.
No, no.
I am the winner.
No, you'll see in a
I'm
second.
the winner. You're the loser. I'm the
All
loser.
right.
You're the
I gotta
loser.
be-
Beef and cheddar.
That is a beef and cheddar. How did you know that's a beef and cheddar?
It's repulsive.
Oh, hey, this is.
Oh my god.
This is looking pretty good so far.
Whoa.
And then it's totally fine.
Take that, comment section.
Yeah.
You guys both actually succeeded?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I would have no problem eating this if it wasn't covered in raw egg.
William, don't eat that. That's disgusting.
I'm proud of us.
I'm very proud of us. We are effing rock stars.
Yeah. And there's nothing you can say or do that will change our minds. Egg handshake?
Egg handshake.
Yeah. That's like a blood pack kind of thing.
Really cool.
I'm not really sure what that felt like. I've never experienced anything like that before. Now what? All right.
Can you do better?
Yeah.
No. You
yeah.
cannot.
It's a rhetorical question. We'll see you next time. No, that's
we're good.
that's enough. That's enough.
Hey there, Billy. Want to win the Arby's gift card we used in this video? Leave a comment. Actually, there's 2 Arby's gift cards. I don't know where the other one is. Leave a comment. You could win this. The winner of the previous video is the RC car parts from the BattleBots video. Their name is on the screen right now. Send me email. Bye.
Yeah. Very important things. Wasting food.